Hello students, welcome to PVK chemistry classes. Continuation of the previous video. Today we are going to discuss an important organic compound called phenol. So phenol is the heart of hydroxy derivatives. What are phenols? In an organic compound, OH group is directly attached to the benzene ring. OH group is directly attached to the benzene ring are called phenol. The molecular formula for phenol C6H5OH. C6H6O. OH. Hydroxybenzene. Phenols are classified into various types: monohydric phenols, dihydric phenols, trihydric phenols and substituted phenols. First of all, monohydric phenols. Monohydric phenols consist of only one OH groups. Dihydric phenols consist of two OH groups. Trihydric phenols consist of three OH groups. And substituted phenol consists of two different functional groups. One is the phenol A group and another one is the any one of another functional groups. First of all, monohydric phenols. Phenol. Cresol, that is orthocresol. Phenol, orthocresol or number 1, number 2, 2-methylphenol. Metacresol, metacresol. Paracresol, orthocresol, metacresol and paracresol. 2-methylphenol, 3-methylphenol, 4-methylphenol. 2-methyl, 3-methyl, 4-methylphenol. Dihydric phenols. Dihydric phenols consist of two OH groups. One to dihydroxybenzene or it is known as catechol. 1,2-dihydroxyphenol, otherwise known as catechol. 1,3-dihydroxy, 1,3-dihydroxy benzene or it is called as risocinol. The compound is called risocinol. This compound is called 1,4-dihydroxybenzene. 1,4-dihydroxybenzene is called as quinol. 1,4-dihydroxybenzene is called quinol. So these are the some example for dihydric phenols. And another one also. So this compound is 3-arsenal. This compound, the name of the compound is arsenal. 3,5-dihydroxytoluene. 3,5-dihydroxytoluene. This compound is called arsenal. And the next is trihydric phenols. trihydric phenols. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3 trihydroxybenzene. 1, 2, 3 trihydroxybenzene. This compound is called pyrocanol. This compound is called pyrocanol. One, two, four trihydroxybenzene. 1, 2, 4 trihydroxybenzene. This compound is called hydroxyquinol. Pyrocanol, this is hydroxyquinol. This compound 135 trihydroxybenzene. This compound is called fluoroclusinol. Fluoroclusinol. These are all the examples of trihydric phenols. Next one is substituted phenol. Substituted phenol. Substituted phenol. OHNH2. Orthoaminophenol. Orthoaminophenol. Orthohydroxybenzaldehyde, or it is called as salicylaldehyde. Salicylaldehyde. Orthohydroxybenzoic acid. Last compound is orthohydroxybenzoic acid called salicylic acid. This compound is called salicylic acid. Orthonitrophenol. 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 Orthobromophenol. Orthonitrophenol. This compound is called orthobromophenol. Orthobromophenol. So these are the examples of substituted phenols. So far we discussed the different types of phenols. Now we are going to discuss some preparation of phenol. Phenol compounds. Phenolic compounds are prepared by various chemical methods. Various chemical methods are used to prepare the phenolic compounds. Now we discuss some of the methods of preparing phenols. First one is Dow's process. Preparation of phenol by Dow's process. Listen, this chlorobenzene reacts with the sodium hydroxide, 623 Kelvin, 300 atmospheric pressure. Chlorobenzene chlorobenzene reacts with the sodium hydroxide 623 Kelvin and 300 atmospheric pressure. Here OH minus is act as a nucleophile, attack this phenyl group and chlorine cleaved from the substrate. So, it gives phenol and NaCl. So, this is a best example for aromatic nucleophilic substitution reaction. Aromatic nucleophilic substitution reaction. This is the first method. Second method, from benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid reacts with sodium hydroxide 623 Kelvin. Here the OH and here one hydrogen. Eliminate the molecule of water. Sodium salt of benzene sulfonic acid. Sodium salt of benzene sulfonic acid. Again it reacts with the sodium hydroxide, gives sodium phenoxide. Sodium phenoxide and sodium sulfite is eliminated. 2 molecules of sodium hydroxide is used. Sodium sulfite is eliminated. This compound on acidification, sodium phenoxide on acidification gives phenol. Phenol and NaCl. So, this is a method, phenol prepared from benzene sulfonic acid. From benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride is boiled with water. Benzene diazonium chloride is boiled with water, it gives phenol as the product. The formula for benzene diazonium chloride C6H5 N double bond N Cl, boiled with water. Eliminate the molecule of HCl. C6H5 OH plus N2 plus HCl. Phenol is obtained by this process. Benzene diazonium chloride is boiled with water, gives phenol. And the fourth one is decarboxylation. Decarboxylation. What is decarboxylation? Decarboxylation means removal of carbon dioxide. Decarboxylation reactions are carried out by decarboxylating agent. What is the decarboxylating agent? Soda lime. Soda lime is act as a decarboxylating agent. Soda lime, sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide. Sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide is a reagent. This is the catalyst. Here we are using sodium salicylate. Sodium salicylate. Reacts with the sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide. The final product is phenol and sodium carbonate. Phenol and sodium carbonate is obtained. It is a decarboxylation process. The last one is synthesis of phenol. synthesis of phenol. Phenol in large scale prepared from cumin. Cumin is a compound obtained by the reaction of benzene reacts with propylene. Benzene reacts with propylene, gives the aromatic hydrocarbon called cumin. This cumin exposed to air for some time, it gives cumin hydroperoxide. This cumin hydroperoxide on acidification gives phenol and acetone as the product. Listen. Propylene. C3H6 molecular formula C3H6 reacts with the benzene in the presence of anhydrous aluminum trichloride. The first stage is the Friedel-Crafts reaction. Friedel-Crafts reaction. So, it undergo Markovnik of addition. The negative part attacked here. So, it gives CH3 CH3 isopropyl benzene. This isopropyl benzene is called cumin. Isopropyl benzene is called cumin. Once the cumin is formed, it is exposed to air for some time. It gives the compound called cumin hydroperoxide. Cumin hydroperoxide. Cumin hydroperoxide on acidification. Acidification gives phenol as the product. Here the acetone is replaced. Acetone is replaced and finally it gives phenol. This is the important method for synthesizing phenol and the large scale preparation of phenol by this method. So, these are about the preparation of phenols. The physical properties, phenol is a colorless liquid or a solid. Phenol sparingly or very slowly or rarely soluble in water, somewhat soluble in cold water, but it is readily soluble in organic solvents. Phenols are readily soluble in organic solvents, especially this alcohol, ethyl alcohol. Phenol readily soluble in ethyl alcohol due to the formation of intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Insolubility in water is due to the bulky phenyl group resist the solubility in water. Phenol gives violet coloration with neutral ferric chloride. Is a characteristic test for phenol. Different phenol gives different colors with neutral ferric chloride. Phenol itself gives violet coloration with neutral ferric chloride and turns reddish brown when exposed to air. Phenol turns reddish brown color when exposed to air. So, these are the some physical properties of phenol. So, I conclude this topic in this video. Thanks for watching. Share your friends, and if you have any doubts, you ask in this comment box. Thank you.